Local news for Wednesday the 6th of March. The Masterton district is under a sprinkler ban till at least the end of this week, with only handheld hoses being able to be used as the council encouraged people to keep their water consumption to a minimum as part of normal water conservation. A movie with scenes filmed in Wairarapa opens on the 19th of this month at Region 3 cinemas. The movie Daffodils has scenes in it filmed in the likes of Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park and Region 3 cinemas. The New Zealand musical, inspired by a true story and adapted from a stage play, features classic Kiwi songs from the likes of Crowded House and Bikiranga. And something different this weekend in Ekarahuna, the town famous for a giant kiwi adult straw and cheese festival that will host the mower racing on Saturday. From 10:30am, the Arahanui Hospice fundraiser will see 25 race mowers from around New Zealand compete, getting up to speeds of 90 kilometres an hour. And this Friday we'll see the official opening of the Wairarapa Trust House Netball Centre. The facility will be opened by Minister of Sport and Recreation, Grant Robertson.